If you're dealing with crazy hot sun beating down on your roof, Tilara polycarbonate sheets are honestly a game changer for cooling your space and blocking those nasty UV rays. Alright, so here's the deal with Tilara polycarbonate sheets. They're lightweight but super tough, which means they hold up against sun damage way better than regular plastic or glass. You want to make sure you pick sheets that specifically say they protect against ultraviolet rays, because not all polycarbonate sheets are made equal. When installing, overlap the sheets properly to avoid leaks and keep the sun from sneaking through gaps. It's smart to use some silicone sealant around the edges to lock everything tight and keep rain or dust out. These sheets also let in a nice soft light instead of harsh glare, so your room feels bright but not like a sauna. If you're worried about heat at night, remember these sheets don't trap heat the way some materials do, so your place stays cooler. Cleaning is easy too. Just grab some soapy water and a soft cloth to keep them clear and effective. Plus, they're super versatile, so you can use them on patios, greenhouses, or even skylights to chill your space naturally. One of the biggest mistakes people make with roofing in super hot areas is picking materials that trap heat instead of block it, which just makes your house hotter. Fix that by choosing Tilara polycarbonate sheets that diffuse sunlight instead of absorbing it. Another common issue is poor installation, like leaving gaps or not sealing edges, which lets water and dust in. Simply overlapping sheets well and sealing edges with silicone can solve this. Last but not least, some folks forget to check if their polycarbonate sheets have ultraviolet protection, which means they won't actually block harmful rays. Always double check the specs before buying to avoid wasted money and sunburned skin. BigHomeProjects.com totally gets how tricky it can be to find trustworthy local contractors for projects like installing roofing materials that work in hot climates. They make it simple for homeowners to connect with reliable pros while helping contractors get solid gigs without all the hassle of hunting down customers.